of Trading Dishes, Stephen Ferneding, to show us his go-to. I love this one. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Thanks for having me back.
Yeah, absolutely. So 5 ingredients, and not only do you not have to go to the store for these, because they are ones that you just have in your pantry, I feel like.
Yeah.
Take us through what they are. What are the 5?
All right, so we have eggs right here.
Okay,
and
eggs.
milk.
Milk.
Melted butter.
Yep.
Flour and
Yep.
sugar.
And sugar.
Yep.
Easy. And
Easy.
sneak in a little bit of salt.
Exactly.
Because everyone needs it.
You
But
need
yeah,
just
that
a little
doesn't count. And we're making crepes.
We are. Yep.
The great thing about crepes is you can make them savory, sweet, whatever. So you almost don't even have to go to the store for those as well.
No.
So it's kind of like taking whatever you have and throwing them in.
That's what's great about this. Yeah.
But I feel like crepes can somewhat be intimidating.
Well, they shouldn't be. They're very easy.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Here's the bowl.
Okay, great. So let's start with the dry ingredients.
Okay.
So just go ahead and add the flour.
Yeah.
And then the sugar.
Okay.
Okay. And then the salt.
Just the
Just
6
pinch of
ingredients,
it.
salt. There we go.
Okay, and then we're gonna add the melted butter.
Okay.
And then the eggs.
Yeah.
So I just whisked 2 eggs together.
That's it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So 2 eggs to how much flour did you say?
So this is 1 cup of flour.
1 cup of flour.
So this
2
will make
eggs.
about four crepes.
Okay.
So yeah.
But those are pretty big crepes when we're
They
looking at
are.
the final product.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're just working on 1 crepe at a time.
Right. Yeah. But I mean, if you have multiple burners, you can
Just keep
line
going.
them up.
Yeah, or the big griddle we have at home too.
Okay, and then we're gonna add some milk too.
Can you
And just
keep
you want to do it?
Ooh.
Yeah. They.
Steven's
It's
about to
looking
tell
great.
me
I was
just
like,
a
slowly.
little bit of time, Kara.
That
a
works
little.
great,
We got
yeah.
plenty of time.
So what you want to do is you want to make sure all the clumps are out,
Okay.
because otherwise you'll get really clumpy crepes and that will not be good. Like,
We might be having a little
So,
long conversation here because
yeah.
I've seen some clumps that I've
No,
managed to
no,
do
it's all
because if you
good.
add it slowly, I'm
you just,
sure. it's
yeah,
better.
I mean that's kind of the easier way to do it, but you can just whisk it up really fast. So
It'll work out while you do
yeah,
it.
exactly.
Oh, I sit and watch. This is great.
Thanks.
So
Okay.
how much milk did you say total?
So it's a cup of milk. You
Okay.
can also do a half a cup of milk to half a cup of water too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
Or just
you can
fat-free
kind of
milk.
play-
It's pretty much the same
That's
thing
exactly,
as that.
yeah. So these are not as the healthier kind. This is a 2% milk, but I mean,
Okay.
and you can also omit the sugar as well.
Okay.
And then especially if you want to do like a savory crepe.
Yeah, on the rest
So.
of this milk here.
Okay.
It
That's good.
seems
Yeah.
a little bit like, so these won't fall apart.
Right. No.
Now I see you saying like stop. So
Yeah.
what are you
okay,
looking
so you
for?
want it to be a thin batter, but not too thin. Like you don't want it to be like watery.
Okay.
So what we want to do is we want to take that.
So you're making me nervous because in my mind this looks a little bit watery, but
It should be okay.
okay.
Yeah. And if it's too thick, just add a little bit of water or add a little bit more milk. You know, just
Okay.
about a tablespoon at a time, just until it really starts to thicken up. Okay, this is the fun part.
Okay.
So if you don't have a crepe pan, which the crepe pans are really flat saute pans,
Yeah.
you can use a saute pan just as easily.
Okay.
So then you add it in, and I like to start here, and then just tilt the pan around.
Ah, that's the
just like
trick.
that. Yeah.
So you start on the side and
Right.
then tilt.
Yep.
Okay, now
So,
are you
okay.
working on it as that's going? Like
So
you
it's
push down
gonna-
the sides?
No, it's
No.
gonna do its own thing.
Okay.
So the sides will actually start to curl in,
Mm-hmm.
and then the bottom will start to brown.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna work on the plate here.
Oh, nice. Okay. So once it's
Okay,
going,
so-
you got to be ready, right?
Yeah, I mean, so yeah, you want to have. I mean, but the great thing is too, you can make all these ahead of time,
Okay.
and I mean, they'll stay in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, and then if you're making them all right away,
Yeah.
what I like to do is just put a pan right over the plate, and then
Yeah.
it will keep everything warm. Because
Okay.
it's better to serve it warm,
Right away,
you
or
know?
just stick
Yeah.
them in that like 100-degree oven.
Yeah,
To
that works
keep them in
too.
the fridge, do you put
Yeah.
anything in between them?
Yeah, I like to use wax paper,
Okay.
and that kind of keeps them from sticking when you pull them out.
Keeps
the next
them
day.
layered. And then
Yeah.
do you reheat microwave? How do you reheat to make them the best?
I would just throw them in the oven. I
Okay.
think that would probably be the better way. 'Cause
Without
you
the
wanna-
wax paper?
Yeah, I definitely take the wax paper out. Okay, so you can start to see that it's starting to curl around the edges here, but and you got a little brown. Oh, that looks
See,
good.
I'm thinking I use
Yeah.
parchment paper. You can throw that.
Oh
in
yeah,
there, though.
parchment papers. Yeah.
Burn
So we want to flip it one more time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Get Nancy for that.
Okay.
So this will make
So-
about 4 crepes.
Right. Yeah. This amount of batter, but you can. I mean, it depends how thick you want them to, but a traditional French crepe is very thin.
Okay.
So that's what we want to stick with. Okay. So this is the fun part. So this
Yeah.
is the chocolate sauce that I just made. It's
I just made it. So
just
how
whipped
do you
it up,
make your
yeah.
own chocolate sauce?
Okay, so it's really easy. I just take heavy cream,
Yeah.
heavy whipping cream, and then bring it to like a slight boil, just like a simmer, really, and
Yeah.
then pour it over a bowl of chocolate, like chocolate chips,
Okay.
and then
Just
you
chocolate
wait,
chips,
wait about 5
semi-sweet,
minutes.
milk
Yeah,
chocolate?
60% cocoa,
Okay.
and then just mix it together after a few minutes, and you get that.
Oh,
It's
you
beautiful.
can probably add butterscotch and caramel
Oh,
that way.
yeah, absolutely.
Get creative. Whatever you have in there in your pantry. me. Okay.
Yeah. Okay,
let's
so
tape
it's
this up.
it's done now. So
Okay.
so what I like to do is just kind of do a little.
Oh, you gotta make it pretty.
Just a little drizzle here and there.
Yeah. A little
Okay.
spatter.
That's fun.
Yep, that's fun. That'll do it.
Okay.
Awesome.
So then just take your crepe.
Okay.
You can add it. So you can. What I like to do is add some chocolate sauce in there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then whatever berries that you have in hand.
Right. Yep.
But I mean, with tomatoes in season, you can add those.
Oh, yeah.
All the different squashes and make it a completely
Yeah,
different. Because vegetables are great in
absolutely.
crepes too. Really, whatever you have.
Yeah.
And how do you roll once you
Okay.
do
So
all
it's
that?
you kind of want to just put everything on the side here,
Okay.
just like that.
Yeah.
Spread it out.
Those are pretty raspberries.
Yeah. And then just take it, kind of just like your margarita.
Yeah. My kids like to
There
eat
you
these
go.
with their hands. But I'm gonna use a fork today.
Okay.
I won't do that all to
See what you think.
all you out there. Yeah. Well, you can't really mess up a crepe, right? Unless it falls apart.
I
on
hope
you.
not.
That's really good. That's
Really
really
fast,
good.
too, yeah.
That's great chocolate sauce. What kind of
Yeah.
do you use? The semi-sweet.
I use the Ghirardelli chocolate.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
really good. Great job. Thank you so much. All right, his book again is Trading Dishes, and we will have more information about him and his website on and his recipe on our website. Ooh, so good. At katcu.com. So much more coming up, so stay right there. Don't go away. These are really good. That's great chocolate sauce.
Thanks.
I didn't even get a raspberry.